Hey everyone, this is a stainless steel basketball net off of Amazon. Said it was 304 grade stainless steel, and this particular net came with these carabiners to attach to the rim. On our net, that was helpful because one of our attachment points had broken off, so I was able to use the carabiner just to attach it to a wire. Here's what it looks like when the basketball goes through it. The only tip I have for this is when you first get it, make sure to attach all those carabiners to the ring that comes with it so it doesn't get tangled up. That'll help keep the chain organized as you hang it up.
And now he's living the life of Riley.